Myntri Rangbah Kajala o Conrad ke sangma haka khatlai tri unaitung ulale jungo eka prime startup hub kabadan hajawalan Nehru Stadium Polo bat ulayo bani selok ru bat kisamla jong Kajala ki belayeng halaki jong ki kijat ban seng kamla jong.
Hagani kesngi u Conrad kongkal sangma ula Jurip ya kene jaga trikam jong ki samla ke jela ki baseng ki kam la jong bat ki bayo ke jing kersana ke sorkar jela bat hadian gani ule kran bat islok ru bakini ki samla bat wat jing tip hado katno kene ke slem trikam ka ajing mentoi ki ne ke benta benta ya kalawe ke bapernai ke sorkar kelas sedang ya ke prime startup hub ta ke jing tu ban ajing kai bat ban pentebit cucu ki samla ki baseng kam la jong bat ke jo por ban ple ki lat klenti bikin la ban penya yo ki mar jong ki om tang hagri India ndri wat bari rukum jo khanam bakin la benyeng halaki jongki kejat u Conrad kongkal sangma ulong bah kejing ekran bakini ki samla ki lapen pau bakane kahap kala ajing meto shikade yaki baru ulong bah ki artayo ki banwan ke sorkar kan saple no ek prime startup hub harilum garo bat ke sorkar ka donru ek thong ban ple yakum kene ke slam ajing kai haki wiki district jong kajilla.
And this is a program that is meant to promote entrepreneurship in the state. And we felt strongly that there was no platform that was giving an opportunity to the entrepreneurs to scale up their operations or to get the required mentoring that they needed, required financial support, accessibility to market and technology. So all these aspects have been, we have tried to incorporate it in this Prime Hub program that we're doing. We intend to have these Prime Hubs in every district. In fact, we are targeting to have close to 50 prime hubs where such kind of incubation programs will take place. Tura will be active in the next 2 to 3 weeks, and then similarly we'll start in other district headquarters also. I'm very happy to see that the entrepreneurs have really benefited, especially keeping in mind the challenges that they had because of COVID. And in spite of these challenges, the program went ahead. In spite of these challenges, the entrepreneurs managed to move the business forward. And I'm very sure that a lot of them have really benefited from these programs. And in the future also, we will see that many more entrepreneurs will benefit from this program. We have always believed that entrepreneurship is a key part of any economic success story for any state or any country. Unless entrepreneurs don't come up, unless the private sector is not pushed forward, no matter how much stress the government puts or invests, it will not have the desired economic impact. Therefore, entrepreneurship plays a very crucial role in the overall growth of an economy and overall stability of an economy. So therefore, entrepreneurship is important, and thus this Prime Hub program. And we're very hopeful that in the coming days also, many entrepreneurs will benefit from this Prime Hub program.